Hi guys, this is the stand of the original PS5. I'm going to show you how to use it to set up the PS5 in the vertical position. The stand might be a bit confusing at first, but it's actually quite simple. So first what you need to do is rotate it so that it clicks into place. So it needs to go in this position where these are aligned. And if you turn it around, you will see that you have a screw here visible in this position. So you need to get this screw out, and to do that you just pull it out like this. So next you will have to look at your bottom of your PS5 console, and it will have a small cover here, so you can pull that out with your nail, and it will have a screw hole underneath. If you want to keep the cover safe, the manual says this is the place for it, so it snaps right in there. If you now look at the bottom of your PS5 console, here is the screw hole, and that aligns with the screw hole on the cover. So now you can see the screw hole is aligned here, and it kind of has these two hooks in the back, but they don't really hook up into anything in this vertical position. So just align the screw hole and have this on the back, and you will be fine. Put the screw in and then rotate the screw to get it in place. Of course you can use a flathead screwdriver, but you can actually just do it with your fingers and get it quite tight like this. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.